Today in this video, we're going to be talking about the 6 most important steps that you need to take before you make your move here to South Louisiana. Now make sure you stick around to the end because the last one is going to be the most important by far, and we're getting after it right now. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know anything and everything about eating, sleeping, playing, the good and the bad of living in South Louisiana, then make sure you subscribe and tap the bell for notifications to help out that YouTube algorithm and so that you can be the first to know about the current real estate market here in our area. I'm Carson, and Natalie and I are real estate agents with Weichert Realtors Losher Properties. We also double as investors and private money brokers as well. And what we want you to know is that if you're looking to sell a home, we'll either sell it for you or buy it ourselves. And if you're looking to move to South Louisiana and buy a home for yourself down here, we will help you make that smooth move. Just give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom call with us, and we'll be happy to help in any way that we can. So step number 1, the first thing that you're going to need to do before making your move down here to South Louisiana is you're going to get in touch with me. Call me, text me, email me. We even have it set up where you can schedule a Zoom call with us and just do what you got to do to get in touch with us. Natalie and I study the real estate market every day, and we're experts in the South Louisiana region. That means anything from Baton Rouge all the way to Slidell and beyond, and then up on the North Shore and above up to Mississippi, and then down in New Orleans and the surrounding areas as well. As a real estate agent, my job is to help you find the house that you're looking for in the area that you're looking for it, and then negotiate on your behalf to get you the house that you're looking for at the lowest possible price point, but giving you the best possible quality in the house. I'm going to use my access to the multiple listing service to look around and see what properties are out there that best fit your criteria. I'm going to schedule showings for us to go check those houses out and see what works best. I'm going to handle all the paperwork and make sure all the contracts are in place and structured where they meet your needs and help you win your deal. And then I'm going to keep in contact with your lender to make sure that the loan closes and handle home inspections and appraisals and make sure nobody gets screwed along the way. Step number 2, the next thing that you absolutely have to do before making your move down here to South Louisiana is you're going to need to define your search criteria. What are you looking for in a home? How many bedrooms do you want? How many bathrooms do you want? What square footage do you want? Do you want to live sort of off the grid with 20 acres? Do you want to live in a subdivision? If you do want to live in a subdivision, do you want to live in a gated community or do you want to live in an open community? Do you need a garage or will a carport work? If you need a garage, do you need a 2-car garage or a 1-car garage? Do you need a pool in the backyard? Is it necessary? Which school system do you want to be in, or do you just want to be in a good one? Now, once we have a search criteria in place, we're going to look at the search criteria and we're going to say, okay, which of these aspects are wants, which of these aspects are needs? While my end goal is to find you your dream home, we have to be realistic in what we're looking for out there and use our best judgments when we're determining our search criteria. What I'm going to do once we have a realistic list of things that we're looking for in a house, I'm going to set you up on an automatic alert campaign, and as soon as a listing hits the market that meets your criteria, it's going to send it right to your inbox. You're going to be the first person to know about it. As soon as it hits the market, bam, right in your email. And so that's one of the coolest things that we have nowadays as real estate agents is these automatic alert campaigns. And like I said, right to your inbox. Something that I'm going to do that sets me apart from other agents is I'm going to also have the alert campaigns sent directly to my email. And then when I see them and look at them and see if it's, a good deal for you, I'm going to text it to you just to make sure that you saw it, because maybe you're busy and you didn't get to see the email. Well, I saw it, so I'm going to text it to you right away. By the way, we have tons of other videos about cities and suburbs around the South Louisiana area that'll help you determine where you might end up looking for a home. So go check those out. We do vlog tours where we show you 3 different homes and 3 different price ranges. We do Google Maps tours to show you where everything is, where the good restaurants are, and things of that nature. And we do pros and cons videos of every city. So go check out those videos too. It'll help you out. Step number 4 is going to be to schedule showing times. I'm going to do this for you. We use a software that's called Showing Time, and what we're going to do is once we pick out the houses that you're looking for, we're going to go see them. I'm going to schedule them on a certain day that we agree upon and a certain time that we agree upon. We're going to go check out these houses and go from there. If it's a longer day of showings, we'll probably want to save a little time in between for lunch, and we'll probably just go get some Vietnamese food or sushi or whatever else you like together, and I'll cover the cost of that. If you are out of state and you aren't able to make it down to the showings, I can do a virtual tour and get you on FaceTime and show you around that way. Step number 5, you're going to need to get pre-qualified, and let's see how much buying power you actually have. We're going to need to get you in touch with a lender or a mortgage loan officer. I've got one if you don't have one already, so just contact me, come to me for that, and I'll get you in touch with one. What we don't want to do is submit an offer on a $700,000 house when it turns out you were only pre-qualified for $400,000. Every time we submit an offer, we're going to attach a pre-qual letter from a lender that we know and trust saying that you are qualified for the amount that you are requesting to purchase for. The lenders that we work with are awesome. They're going to walk you through the process step by step to make sure that you get the loan closed so that you can close on your house. They're going to help you get all the documents and preparatory things that you need, and they're going to, if needed, help you build your credit, help you, fix certain things about your profile that'll actually get you approved for more money. If it's not urgent, if you're moving next year, you can start working with a lender now to make sure that you're in a good place to buy when it is time to move down here. The last step, the most important part of this process, last thing you're going to need to do is just lean on us, lean on me and Natalie. We are here for that. We are here to support you in finding you your next home, one of the biggest purchases, most important purchases you're ever going to make. It's our job to make that happen for you, and we love to see that happen. We love to see previous clients tell us about their home that we sold them and tell us what the home means to them. And that's what we live for, and that's what we love doing. So lean on us and let us help you through this process. Buying or selling a home can be one of the most stressful things that we ever go through in life. And what I want to do is make sure that that's not the case for you. I want to make sure it's a smooth process. That's why in these videos we tell you that we're here to help you make that smooth move, not a rough move, not a stressful move. We're here to make it as smooth as possible. So at this point, we're still representing you. We're still working with you. We're going to handle everything, like I mentioned earlier, regarding the contracts, how the contracts are structured, the appraisals, the inspections, everything that goes into buying a house. We're going to make sure that the loan closes, that the deal closes. We're going to be there on the closing date with you to make sure that that thing is sold. And at this point, after step 6, you're going to just kind of hand it over to us. You're going to lean on us and let us work with you. And once we do close on your home and you move in, I want you to know that that's not the end of our relationship. I want you to know that I want to hear from you at Christmas time when you're having your first Christmas in your house, or Thanksgiving, or the next year and the following years. I want to hear from you from time to time and check in and just let me know how my service was. Let me know how you're enjoying your home. And my motto that I say to all my clients is that I value relationships over transactions 100% of the time. You are not a transaction to me, and you will never be a transaction to me. You are a relationship, and the relationship definitely does not end after we close on one deal. Referrals are the driving force in this business, but that's not why I want to hear from you in the future. I don't want to just remind you to refer people to me. I really genuinely want to see if I provided value for you. I really genuinely want to see if you are enjoying your time in your new house. Well, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you found any value in this video whatsoever, do me a favor and subscribe and tap the bell for notifications to help out the YouTube algorithm. And if you have any questions about anything I said in this video or any of our other videos, or if you're looking to buy a house or sell a house, whether it be in the next few weeks or in the next few months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, schedule a Zoom call with us, whatever it may be. We're here to help you make that smooth move to South Louisiana. And other than that, see you around town. bye.